Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought in today's video I could do a hairstyle. So I wanted to show you guys how to get this quick and easy bridal updo, I would say, at home. Might not be the cleanest because I did it on myself, but if you guys want to learn how I did this updo, just keep on watching. The first step would be to apply a heat protectant and then brush thoroughly through your hair so there's no knots and it's easy to go through. We'll be using the Ashi Beauty and Pink Orchid Studio collaboration, their micro crimper. Look how nice the packaging is. A micro crimper essentially just helps create volume and texture. So what you want to do is take 2-inch sections and go about 4 inches down your hair from the root and below, and you will just create some nice volume that will help your bun. I wasn't too precise with micro crimping. I just did the back end of my hair and left the crown so there was less texture and it looked cleaner on top. Then you want to section off the front 2 inches of your hair and just clip those back, and you're going to work with these later and just work on the bun from the back now. Taking a comb, I'm just brushing through and cleaning up the back of my hair, and I'm creating a ponytail essentially. I'm using a hair tie and just tying it through and creating a ponytail. This is when things get fun. So you're going to create a reverse ponytail, pulling through the ponytail up from the top so you can have a base. Instead of using a pre-made bun, I like using the Masuda Face hair donut, and I cut it and make a bun by forming it and rotating it and putting it all together. After I've created the hair padding in my desired shape, I want to pin it back into my hair so the ponytail is kept on top. Then I use bobby pins and I just pin it into place and secure it. Now you're going to use a small black elastic and flip back the ponytail to cover the hair padding that you put on, and you're going to use the elastic and tie a little pony at the bottom and tuck it into place. I basically just put the hair underneath the hair padding that I secured. Now using the Tresemme No. 3 hairspray, I'm just going to spray and clean up the bun and put away any flyaways. Now going back in with a micro crimper, we're going to micro crimp the bangs. I actually leave the top section so it doesn't look textured. Then you have to smooth out the bangs, and what I do is actually pin it underneath the bun using a bobby pin. I actually pinned the bangs over my ears because I hate my ears, but this is how the bun looks. Using this faux flower garland, I'm just going to put it on top of my bun just to give it more of a bridal look. I'm securing it into place using bobby pins. I feel like it completes the bun perfectly. So this is the complete and finished bun. You can go ahead and spray some hairspray, but I love how full the bun looks and how clean it looks. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video and want to see more videos like this, or want to see vlogs or anything else, please let me know, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.